Squeak. Squeak. Squeaking nervously. Hello? Hi. Hello? 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 Hi. Hello? Hi. Hello? Hello? Squeakings. Squeakings. Hello, Radbro. Hello, Albro. Hello? I'm late. I was paying. I'm sorry about this. I was at the toilet just before. Sorry.
Heard you were coming. Don't know what you mean about
Yeah,
that,
my week
but
was
come
good.
anyways.
I'm here. I'm here, guys. Hello. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Hello. Guys. I have something to tell you. So, first of all, I'm eating Rhino. I am eating Rhino. I'm eating chocolate and yogurt. And so before the stream, there is a high probability of chance that I did eat some Cheetos again. I ate some Cheetos again. And you know what happened when I eat Cheetos? My tummy hurt. My tummy hurt when I eat the Cheetos. I'm sorry.
Give me all your cheese sticky.
Sorry. But yeah, hello Whitney, hello Mark, hello Circuit, hello No Name, hi, hello King. First time being able to catch, cheese to meet you. Hello King, hello, cheese to meet you. Can't get over the accent. No accent here, no accent. Hello Spider, hello Kara. Wait, let me drink my yogurt. Hello Mardo, hi. Oh my goodness, my yogurt almost fell on my keyboard. Sorry. No accent, yeah, no accent. I never had an accent. No purse. Wait, 1 second. Sorry, I was drinking. Yogurt was tasty. Okay, so I don't know what we are gonna do right now today.
Cheetos equals atomic diarrhea in progress.
Don't talk about this. I don't know what we are gonna do today, Halbro. Gulp. But we are probably good as quick. So I played Minecraft for the whole day today. I'm sorry. So wait 1 second. Let me take some fucking chocolate. Today I did play Minecraft. I play Minecraft. I did see the Ender Dragon. It was the second time in my life, and I didn't die.
Wash your hands after shitting.
No washing my hands, sorry. Is a gulp an alert when someone follow? No, it's me. When I don't remember what I want to talk about, or when I struggle to talk, I gulp a lot, like like that. I'm sorry. This is not an alert. It's just me. This is just me being noisy. Sorry. I'm trying my best. Okay. Hello, Vision. Hello, Close. Hello. You were terrible at speaking French. Oh, is that even possible? Were you speaking like that? My French accent is impeccable. Perfectable. Impeccable. Yes, impeccable. Yeah, sorry for the ASMR. I'm eating milk at chocolate. I know, I'm so fucking sorry. I'm really greedy. You'll be lurking. Have a good lurk. So, guys, wait, let me eat my chocolate first. Take a shower? No. Sorry, no. No shower. Maybe taking a shower tomorrow, but maybe not. I don't know. Hello, Phantom. Hello. Stinky pillow. Yeah, really smelly. By the way, I'm sorry, but today I took a big nap. I woke up. It was I think it was 11 a.m. and I fell asleep. It was 1 p.m. and I woke up. It was 5 p.m. I did a big sleep today. I was really sleepy, but it was raining. So I couldn't go really outside to take bird picture, and I just ended up after playing Minecraft and nothing else. Yippers. Hello, Psyche. Hello, hi. My chat got blocked for being in French. Oh yeah, if you talk French in the chat, it's blocked because a lot of people talk here in French and they are like, why are you not talking in French? And they start just speaking French and it's pissing me off. French people are often weird. one, not me. Ah, Sweeto. You are new! Wow! Just to meet you! Maybe this is a wrong time to come! Just to meet you as well! Just to meet you! Hello, hello! Hi! Let me eat chocolate! Mm. Mm.
The burp 6 tenths, but that laughing, that damn laugh 10 tenths.
Ah, my burp was perfect, fuck you. That's the first thing you hear from you, oh goodness. It's not my fault, I am eating, okay? I am... fuck you, I'm eating. Let me burp. Is Cap sleeping? I think she's sleeping. She was sleeping, but some of my rats are waking up right now, so I don't know. Oh, by the way, what I was gonna say? Oh merde, I forgot. I forgot what I was gonna say. Chips and soda, no, I'm eating fucking chocolate. Oh, yeah. Okay, I remember. Yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. Yes, yesterday I took my first picture of flying bird. I never did that. I like taking picture of bird in tree or in the floor or everything. But yesterday I took picture of flying bird. They are the worst picture ever. I think they're the worst picture I could take in my life. Because so birds are really fast. When a bird flies, they are really freaking fast as fuck, okay? And so the bird picture I took are kinda ridiculous. Wait, I'm gonna show you. Where is it? It's here. I'm not proud of this. I'm really not proud of this. One second. Hello, Snow! Hello. You say you play Minecraft. Yes, I did. I love Minecraft. Okay, I'm gonna show you the picture of the bird flying. So, this? Oh, wait. Oh, I cannot do this. Wait. Let me do a screen share. I'll do a screen share again. I'm a freaking boomer. Oh, I did it. Wow. The screen sharing is so shareable. Shareable. Fucking shit. So, the bird picture I took were really ridiculous. So this. Oh no, you cannot see it! I'm so fucking stupid! This is a bird flying! Just this little shit is a flying bird! Chichimitsuren! Hello!
Confirmed Jerry is a boomer. Damn, she old
Yeah, I'm a boomer, fuck you, I know. I'm a freaking boomer, fuck you. Wait, I need to confirm that you are a real French. Can you please answer one question? Who won the first Tour de France? I still don't know! And so I took other bird picture. Let me show you. Oh, here I have one flying. One second. It's gonna spawn. Ah, it's not spawning. It's not working anymore. I cannot show you it. Oh, here. Look, he's flying. He's flying. As a man who speaks English and Spanish, I cannot tell what she's saying. I am speaking in English. You speak English too. You should understand what I am saying. Fuck you. So yeah, this bird was flying, and this picture is ridiculous. It's stupid as fuck. I took other bird picture, 1 second, because the others are really funny. Where are they? This is not a bird. No, it's not even a bird. 1 second. Is that a bird? It's not a bird. Is that a bird? Where are the birds? Where's the bird in the bird picture? Oh shittings. Ratsis, it's me, I am. Oh, thank you, Agent. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the sub. Thank you. Oh wait, I still need to lift my dumbbell for the sub. I remember. Thank you so much. Oh, I have the bird picture that I want to show you. Okay, I have it. Okay, guys. This shit is a bird. This fucking shit is a flying bird. It's just a freaking missile. Vroom, 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 vroom. It's a fucking missile, guys. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous as fuck. I hate this picture. So all the picture I took, all of the picture I took look like that, just like something that looked like a fish kinda, like doing full speed, and it's all. This is the result of my flying bird picture. It's horrible. Thank you, Galba. Thank you so much for your sub. Thank you so much. I think, wait, let me try to show you another one that looks like he's... is that a bird? 1 second. Oh yes, I have it. Oh no, I did close it! I'm so stupid! Oh, why am I stupid every time? I am just stupid, rat. Okay, look. This thing also is... This thing also is a flying bird. Oh, hello, nice! Hello! Hello, sorry! Hi! I don't like that. Yes, so this is a flying bird. Where are the wings? So if he's flapping, so the wings are like on his body. He is on his body. I swear flying birds are kinda ridiculous. It's really pissing me off. Every time I see them, I just like, I don't know, they're fucking launchable thing. They're just launchable shit. Oh, I have another one that looks ridiculous. 1 second. This too, it's a flying bird. It's a flying bird. It's kinda jumping, but yes. They're trying their best. Thank you for that, it's just to meet you. He's trying his best, he's just boing. So yeah, there's the bird picture of 2 yesterday. They're kinda horrible, but they're flying. I'm trying my best. To stalk them when they're fast as fuck. Jumping, yeah, the birds are really jumpy. They always go boing boing boing. But let me eat chocolate again, I'm sorry. Hello, yeah, I'm good. Oh yeah, by the way, I didn't tell you, but I am good. I am a little sleepy. I am a little sleepy, but it's okay. I am not this heavy. Let me, putain. I stole. Everything is funny. My god. I'm fighting against my desk, sorry. We're so afraid of the bird that you can't come close to all the food. Shut up, I'm not afraid of the bird. They're just fast and small. A cooking? Yeah.
Really, are you doing a cooking stream?
Not this week because I was too lazy to cook. But soon, nice. We are soon. The cooking stream is really coming. Wait, what I was gonna do? I don't remember. Hello, TTV. Hello, hi. Merde. I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Sorry, I was eating. I bought 6 rat plush today. Really important. So, do you know the IKEA rat plush? This is one of my favorite plushie. Wait 1 second. Sleepy air. It's not sleepy air. This is my cool, ready ordered air. So no. Wait. Let me show you a picture. There is so in IKEA, but not in every IKEA in France. We don't have it. There is a rat plushie. I've been trying to get it for so many times. Yeah, I have a picture. Oh, sorry, I burp. I have a picture. 1 second. Let me show you. Let me show you the rat plushie of IKEA. This. Where is she? Where the fuck is the rat plushie? Here! Whoa! Rat plushie, jump scare. This plushie. I bought 6 of it. Because in France, they don't exist. And when I was trying to have one, so they're only in IKEA, I couldn't ordering one. So they are in Switzerland, and one of my moderators is in Switzerland too. So I did order some rat plushie to go to his home, and after I'm gonna yonk it. He's gonna ship it from his home. Yeah, you No Name, you are shipping me my rat plushie. You are my savior. Thank you, I want this rat plushie so much. I don't know if it can be real, but your pronunciation is worse than pronunciation of Winston Churchill. Fuck you! I talk really goodly. Fuck you. What does this pillow say? Stinky. Hello, talking fish. Hello, Jack. Oh, the community is cool. No, the community is not cool. They bully me every time. They are not cool guys. They are really bad. But yeah, so soon I'm gonna show you my rat plushie. I'm so happy. I love this plush so much, guys. I swear this is the coolest plushie that exists in this world. All you say is literally under in the body. I don't even say the word under. It's never happened. Oh wait, I'm sorry, I'm gonna burp. My burps smell like disgusting shit. I ate some potato and some Cheetos and a yogurt and chocolate, and the mix of everything together is horrible. Hello, I just met you. Hello. Hi. Yeah, I squeak. I agree with you. I squeak a lot, yippers. Hello, Jed. Hello. Hi.
Larry B. Stronkin.
I'm kinda really stinky because yesterday I was macerating in my bed. I was so hot and sweaty that it starts stinking. It's so horrible. When I woke up, I was like, smelly. But what do you think? Speak better English, you or François Hollande? I think François Hollande is speaking better English than me, maybe. Try school popcorn? I don't even know what the fuck is a school popcorn. I don't have a school and I don't have popcorn. I don't have this. How are you so small if you eat American? I only eat Cheetos. And it's all. It's the only American thing I eat in my life. No way! GG! GG's for the VIP! GG Blade! Wait, let me give you the VIP. GG! What is this? What is this song? What is this? I don't remember. Is that a Zelda? No, it's not a Zelda song. I don't fucking know. Zelda? Yeah, I was thinking too. I don't know. You were gooning, I was not. Wait, let me stretch myself. One photography vlog. I'm posting soon some video on my Instagram. I don't want to do a long form video, but I'm posting some cool outdoor video of me. So I just need to post it. So maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow you can have a funny video of me outside trying to take picture of bird, but failing lamentably. Universal Studio song. Oh yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe it's this. Yeah. I think I trust you. Century Fox song. Are you lying? Isn't this I don't even remember what I was saying. Isn't it? Isn't this? Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Some. What were we talking about? I don't remember. I don't remember what I was saying. But isn't it? Shut up. Isn't it? Thank you, Angel, for the bits. Oh wait, 1 second, let me lift my dumbbell. I need to do it 4 times. By the way, I still need to do a 600 dumbbell lift. I'm trying my best. Oh, it's so heavy. Wait, I cannot even lift it anymore. Oh no, something did fall again from my putain de desk. It's pissing me off. Okay. You are here to listen to your beautiful voice while you are coding. What are you coding? What are you doing? I'm gonna judge you. 1, 2. Wait, I'm doing sport. 3, 4. Thank you, Itsu. Wait, I'm gonna do the dumbbell lift. Oh, thank you so much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then for the subject, 1, 2. It's a 4 kilogram dumbbell. It's heavy for me, okay? It's really heavy, it's really heavy. Trust me. I'm trying my best. D&D. What is D&D? Donjon and Dragon? Maybe it's not this. I don't know. I don't know what is it. Hello, potage, by the way. Hello, nice to see you. Can see you lifting doesn't count. Fuck you. I swear I am lifting the dumbbell, not the bed. Oh, one of my rats is trying to kiss me. Crap? What are you doing, bro? I wasn't expecting morning background noise. I am not! I am suffering! Proof Riri is not male because there is no way a male will struggle with 4 kilograms. Bro, I swear it's really heavy. Everybody is struggling. Nobody. I swear I'm gonna. One day I'm gonna go outside and give the weight to any boy I see, and I'm gonna see if they can lift it. And I swear they couldn't. I swear they couldn't. I am strong and people aren't strong.
Yuri ain't got no games.
Oh, fuck you. Fuck you. I have seen your end. Have you ever took a quarterback career? What is quarterback? What the fuck is a quarterback? Quarterback. Back is behind. Quarter is one quarter. I don't know what is that. Mathematic. Quarterback. Middle. I don't know what is that, sorry. I don't know. Oh, American football. I am not American. We don't play American football. In France, we don't do football, we do rugby. We do fucking rugby. True French play rugby, not football, like loser. Me purse. I comprehend math really goodly. You can lift it with your pinky finger. I'm trying and I cannot. I'm trying and I can almost not lift it with my normal hand. Wait. I burp. Bye, Fedor. Bye. You gave me the hiccup, by the way. Dognut or donut? Donut. It's a donut. A donut. D-O-N-A-U-T. D-O-N-U-T. D-O-N-N-O. D-O-N-U-T. D-O-N-U-T. Donut. Goodness, it's really hard to say. Donut. Fuck you, stop doing this! I'm trying my best! Donut. Why are you saying dognut? Are you fucking crazy? Are you not even human? Are you from another planet? It's not a dognut. What is a dognut? It's a donut. It's a donut. Donut, not dognut. What the fuck, guys? And you know what? We don't even call this type of thing donut. Sometimes we call it a beignet. A beignet. Not even a donut. Donut. Dognut. Wait, you are telling me that dognut is readable as donut? Dognut isn't dognut. Dognut is donut. For my whole life, I say dugd. Dugd. The dugd for a pizza. The dugd for bread. Dugd. Dugd. It's not dugd. It's do. 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 Dough! It's dough! It's a word, but it's a dough! I'm cooking dough today. It's really hard, guys. Do. I don't like that. Isn't crepe just a fancy pancake? I think you should never say that again. Crepe is not just a fancy pancake. Crepe is literally better than a pancake. A pancake is small, fluffy, and really sugary. A crepe, you can put everything you want on it. It's giant. You can even put ice cream in it. Putain. I know it's not the same. It's not a fancy pancake. It's not. Fuck lying. Stop it. Hello, Gatito. Hello. Nice to see you. Hello. Like an omelette. Yes, you can put an omelette in crepe. You can do this. Yepers, I should do a crepe stream. I should do that. It's a good idea. So you are a pancake, small, sugary, and fluffy. I'm not fluffy. I am not fluffy. And wait, I'm not small too. No, pancake isn't better than crepe. You never eat real crepes. You are lying. Crepe is the best thing. You put Nutella on it, it's really tasty. You put a crepe in a crepe, it's tasty. Everything is tasty with crepe. I'm pretty fluffy. I don't think so. I don't think I am. I don't think I am fluffy. I don't think I am rat fluff. How much weight are you lifting? 4 kilograms. You can lift 180 kilograms. I cannot even lift 4 kilograms normally. Oh. Okay. Okay, I guess. Okay. Yeah, my last shower was 3 days ago. I need to take another one soon, but I'm so lazy. Tomorrow maybe I'm gonna take one, but tomorrow also I want to play Minecraft, and tomorrow also I want to go outside, but it's raining. So there is so many things I need to do, but it's raining. It's hard, guys. It's hard. Your cat weighed like 4 kilograms and you can lift her pretty easily. My cat also is like 4 kilograms or something like that, I think, and I struggle lifting. Fuck you. I struggle lifting him. I'm a great streamer, thank you so much. I don't think so, but thank you so much. I think I am a streamer. Point. Nothing else. Wait, let me spin. I spin. 3 isn't so bad. Yeah, it's not. It's not really bad. By the way, I think I ate too many Cheetos and chocolates. I feel like I ate too many things that shouldn't be in my tummy. I think. Go dance in the rain, but my camera is gonna die. It's not a good time. It's not a good idea. Is it true that Europeans don't shower? No, because I take shower, so it's not true. I take a lot of shower, so it cannot be true. Are you Chinese or Japanese? Your accent is quite strong. Do you think I really have an Asian accent? Is it true? Wait, why is everybody thinking I have a weird accent and not a French accent? Sometimes I have people coming to my stream saying I have a Russian accent. Sometimes people come to my stream and say you talk like an Indian. No, first, I am not Japanese, I am not Chinese, I am just a French with a French accent. I am not having a weird accent. I am not French Canadian. I I am having the French accent from la France. Are you from Sweden? Anna, I swear no. I swear no, I am not. If I talk in French, I don't have another accent but French. I think when I speak in French, I don't have an accent. I speak just French. Hello, Bonator. Just to meet you.
You are the stinky
Hello. I'm not. I'm not a stinky French rat. I'm not stinky. Shut up. You sound French, like the Frenchiest accent possible in English. Maybe. Maybe a little. There is high probability. Can you repeat your last phrase? Because I heard only... I don't remember my last phrase, so now I cannot usually stand better. Can you talk some French? Yes, I can. What do you want me to say in French? Fuck you. Fuck you. What should I say in French? Say Luxembourg in English. I don't even know to say Luxembourg in English.
You need to shower, Stinky.
I am not stinky. I am not stinky. Fuck you. I'm taking my shower tomorrow, but because I am stinky. Okay? Okay? Fuck you. Riri gulping a lot. I don't gulp, shut up! And over the free cheese. Cheese is in my tummy. Cheese is in my tummy. Ooh. Talk about what you're gonna do tomorrow. Okay, I'm gonna say that in French. Okay, French warning, trigger warning. I'm gonna talk in French.
I can smell
Be
you
warned,
through the screen,
be
Stinky.
ready. What I'm gonna do tomorrow. Demain, je vais jouer à Minecraft. et ensuite, demain, je vais peut-être prendre une douche, maybe. Et probablement nettoyer la cage de mes rats ensuite je vais dormir et manger no singles. Yepers. I am embarrassed to talk in French to you guys. Play Minecraft, yes. I am so embarrassed to speak in French. I don't know why. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. It's like, I don't know, being naked. At least the photos are very cool. Thank you. The photo of my hand, fuck you. C'est magnifique. I don't like saying this. That video of you burying a pigeon liar and free in your head. I'm gonna post the full video on Instagram. The full video is ridiculous. The pigeon got like stalked by crows and everything. It was ridiculous. Oh, my French is good. Yeah. Yeah. The only French phrase I know is Monsieur, je mange pas si je... Why do you know this? This means like... It means like nothing. Monsieur, je ne mange pas 6 jours. Ok, bro. Ok, bro, I think. Hello, the Tribunate. Hello. Hello. Nice to meet you. Hello. Welcome to your first experience of rats. Squeaky rat. Hello, Steel. Hello, nice to see you. Hello. Oh, well, wait. Let me drink water. I really need water, I know. I'm having the taste of cheese mixed with chocolate. It's pissing me off.
Hot and stinky.
I'm not hot and stinky. I am just rat. The best rat. Yeah, I'm the best rat because every rat are the best. Oops. Hello. It's a ducks. Your other name is pissing me off. It's so hard to read. Fuck. But hello, nice to meet you. Hello. Sorry, I got the hiccup again. Sorry. Oopsies. The number in French are so weird. Like le tour du monde entre Putain, I don't remember how to read. Le tour du monde en 80 jours. It's not weird. It's not weird, it's normal. 80 jours.
No more cheese if you didn't
It's
try.
normal.
I hope your cheese molds on you.
Cheese cannot mold on me. Because the cheese is already in my tummy, ready to be evacuated in the toilet. Yeah. Quite interesting that you didn't being stinky as there is a stinky mark under your stream. Not me, that petite it's shittings. Shittings. Mice are actually better than rats. I hope you strangle while drinking some water tomorrow exactly at 8 AM. Hey there, why are you complaining again? 420. 420? What is 420? 420?
Stinky stream with
Oh,
bugs.
80! Oh. I was like, are you freaking dumb, bro? Why 420? What does this mean? Yeah, okay, I agree. If you translate 80 like 420, maybe it look weird, but I swear 80 isn't 420. 420 is with smoking!
Just hella cute.
Ah! I didn't know! Is it today? Is it today? Are we the 4 of 20? Wait, no, we cannot be in 20 months. Are we the 20 of 4? Wait, what even months are we? Are we in April? No, we are not in April anymore. We are not the 420. The 24. It's pissing me off. No, I didn't know. Why is 420 with there? What even is that? It's not. It don't exist in France. It just don't exist in France. It's Star Wars Day today. I don't like much Star Wars than this. I'm not a Star Wars fan. And by the way, hello, who's that? Hello. Hi, hello. What is 420? I don't remember. With, I think. But why? I don't know. 420 is 80 in French. 80. And 80 is 420. But 80 in French is 80. 80. It means 80. So 420 means 80 in French. We are in May. No more painter birthday. Ah yes, it's real. We are in May. It's pissing me off. For me, we are in January. Wait. There is one of my rats who is harassing me. Crêpe! Roquefort! Champignon! All of my rats are harassing me, I know. Fucking shit. California student allegedly smoked with after school at 4:20 PM. But 4:20 PM it's not the end of school. It's the time for school.
Your taste in mood stink as bad you.
Fuck you. My tastes are the best taste ever. I have a luxury taste. Yep, it's true. Everything I like is the best thing ever in this world. And in every other world and every other thing. Yep. Wait, let me stretch myself 1 second. Ugh. Oh, shittings. Oh.
Stinky taste. Stinky rat.
Stinky taste? Not me. Stinky rat? Not me. Did you see bird today? It was raining, so no purse. I didn't go outside. I just saw like a bird through my windows, and it's all. But I didn't go outside. It was raining, so I was pissed off. I was like, it's raining, putain. I was pissed off. Hello, Spoon. Hello. Hi. Hello, Sarah. Hello. I'm good, but my tummy kinda hurt. We went to a waterfall yesterday and heard the blowjay. Bro, I would love so badly hear a blowjay. Just hearing a blowjay in real life looks the coolest thing ever. The only bird I did hear today was a Eurasian blackbird, and he was going and I was really pissed off. Rain sounds are so calming. Yes, but if rain, when I hear rain and I need to pee, I am almost peeing myself.
You never did your 1080 bicep curls.
I'm still doing it. Lazily, but I'm still doing it, okay? Fuck you. Fuck you. You American peasants are literally praising criminal culture with your addictions. Noble European! I don't think we are noble. We produce. How do we say we produce? We produce. I don't know how to say this word. What's written on my body pillow? Stinky. Sadly, it's white and stinky. Sorry, I was yawning. We have a bat that fly around here. There is a lot of bats where I live. If I go outside and there is like, it's like hot, I see a lot of bats flying everywhere. They're cool. I like them. Usually just Robin and Cardinal, European Starling. Do you have the cool Robin or the fake Robin in where you are? Because I in France have the cool Robin, the real one. I'm gonna shower soon. I don't smell this much. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Fuck it. It's hard to talk today. I don't know why I struggled for the whole day. American Robin. So, you know, American Robin is not a true Robin. The American Robin is, how do you call that? The same guys as, not the same guys, but it's the same species as the blackbird. So, the American Robin and the Robin that we have in France is not the same. Like, one is a Turdus stingy, and the other one is a Robin. They're not the same guys. A Robin is a rouge-gorge, and American Robin is a merle something. And it's pissing me off that you call it a Robin, because you know why? Because the American Robin look like the true bird that we call Robin, because it's the same color. He have le thing, red on him, like the Robin. So he is called like that, but he is not one. He's a freaking imposter. It's pissing me off. It's pissing me off. It should change name. But he's still cute. I like him. I like him. Hello, James. Hello. Hi. Turdus migratorius. His scientific name is so bad. I don't like that. But yeah, it's a Turdus stingy. It's not a Robin. It's not a Robin. It's an imposter. It's a. Whoa, there is a bug flying on me. It's a freaking imposter. Bad imposter. What is that pillow? Comfy pillow for sleeping like that. Sleeping on it. I'm sleeping on the pillow. Romimings. My day was cool. I did nothing, but it was still cool. A cool thing I did was sleeping with my rats, but I woke up my rats were in the cage and they were not wanting to sleep with me. So this is what I did today. I slept with my... Fuck you. I slept with my rats. Confirm is pigeon are robot drone. No, pigeon are friend. Pigeon are our friend. Pigeon are our fucking friend. I swear. Trust me. Trust me. Hey, hello, Kriexo. Hello, she's with you. Echolocation ears. Yeah, I can go beep, 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 I can go like that. He purrs, sadly. Wait, let me see it better again. Sorry. She can hear everything. I am all ears. I am full of earrings. I can even hear things that are not terrible. I don't deserve fucking bullying. I don't deserve it. Oops, I did burp. Hello, Baldur. Hello, hello. Wait, let me spin a little. Hello, 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 Baldur. Hello, hi. Hello. Being stinky isn't very bad. I think it's bad. If you go outside and you stink, you stink. It's not cool. Don't do it. Don't do it.
You do deserve it, Stinky.
Fuck you. I need to clear my glasses, by the way. But I lost my glasses clean. Oh, it's here. Let me. Oh, I didn't take my med today. Wait, let me stick it. You are a biomedical illustration. Are you driving? Are you in a wall? What? Are you made of paper? What is a illustration? Can a human be an illustration? Is it true? Wait, let me clean my glasses. When I don't have my glasses, I cannot read chat, by the way. Let me 1 second. 1 fucking second, please. I'm cleaning the glasses in real life. Ugh. Really fucking dirty. Last time I showed how dirty my glasses were on Twitter and everybody like looked at me. I was so pissed off. I'm trying my best to be clean, but my glasses don't want to be as clean as me. But I'm trying my best. 1 second.
9,999 cheese. Take her cheese away until she showers.
No. If I don't have cheese anymore, I don't shower anymore. I need cheese to shower. You draw plant and study them, bro. It looks so freaking cool. I would love to draw cool thing to study, but I'm too lazy. I'm too freaking lazy. It's pissing me off. Milk is better. I don't like milk. When I drink milk, it looks not good to drink. It's tastiant. Yeah, my room is all cardboard because I like cardboard. Cardboard is also edible, so my room is made of food. It's made of food. Yippers. Sorry, I yawn again. Riri will pass away with a steady cheese supply. I will die. No cheese for 1 week and I die. Cheers to meet you, Barlos. Hello. Hello, Akira. Hello, Dadan. Hello, cheers to meet you. Thanks for the follow. Hi. Hello. You're very happy. Yes, you know it's really late. It's 11 p.m. I'm really happy. I'm always happy. Yep, I'm always freaking happy and ready to sleep. But like, if right now I go in my bed, I am not gonna fall asleep. But I'm still like yawning and being happy. Yep. Bye, Dan. Bye. Oh, here is the link of the 20th Century Fox Tem. Wait, let me drink. Let me click. Fuck you, I want you to freaking... Did you really fucking rickroll me? You know what you deserve? You deserve this. Fuck you. Get banned for 1 minute, loser. Don't rickroll me. I was really happy. I was like, oh, it's da 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 da, and it was not. It was not da 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 da. Fuck you. You know, I have a Minecraft song in my head. Every day I have it in my head. It's really pissing me off. You know, it's a song that go ba da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Boom 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 boom. Ba-da-da-da-da. This song, I have this stuck in my head. Pig Step. Maybe it's Pig Step the name, I don't know. But it go ba-da-da-da-da. I cannot like I'm dying. This song is so ba-da-da-da-da. I like it. A professional botanical illustrator is a specialized artist who creates science. Oh my goodness, everything is hard to read. Scientifically accurate, detailed, and clear representation of plant species. Bro, it looks so hard to fucking draw fucking plants. It looks freaking hard. Some plants are so fucking detailed. Goodness. It's 11 p.m. It's 11 p.m. in France. Ba-da-da-da-da. Maybe it's Big Steps, the song, I don't know. Hello, Shion. Hello. Nice to meet you. Hello. Ba-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da-da. I don't like it. Wait, I need to listen to it because I only know. Ba-da-da-da-da. Let me listen to it on my telephone. 1 second. Pick a step. Oh no, I didn't misclick. Okay, I have it. This song! Ba-da-da-da-da. This song! It's a song stuck in my head! Ba-da-da-da-da. But it don't sound like the song I was singing. Now you go like... This song is pissing me off. I always have it in my head. But in Minecraft I never got the music disc to have it. It's 2 p.m. for you, bro. You're lying. It's not possible. I'm pissing off. It's a disc. Yeah, I want this song in Minecraft. I want this music disc, but I don't have it. I have every other music disc that exists, but not. Do you want to see my Minecraft houses? Should I play Minecraft and show you? Should we play Minecraft? I'm playing Minecraft with one of my moderator and other person, and I'm building a houses because I want a houses. Because yes. Do you want to see it? It's 4 p.m. Lie. It may only appear in Bastion. Oh, Bastion looks scary, but I want it. I'm gonna launch Minecraft. 6 p.m. Stop lying. Go to France, guys. Stop living in another country. It's 11 p.m. It's not 4 p.m. 2 p.m. Bruno. Did you see Create Aeronautic? Yeah, I saw that there were a new creating, but problem. Okay, so I play on a full Create server. Okay, I don't use Create. I want to do everything manually like a freaking loser. I'm this type of person. Okay. I'm this type of person. So I'm gonna show you the houses, and behind my houses there is one of my moderator that put every creating ever. You're gonna see. Make a Marad Bro server. Yeah, it's planned. I just need to understand how to have a Minecraft server because I don't fucking know. I need to be a server and know how to make one because it looks hard. I'm scared. But it's planned. It's planned to have a Marad Bro Minecraft server. I want it so bad, guys. I freaking want it so bad. And I need to research which mod I should put. I need to do that. Da-da-da-da-da. You know what? I want to search for the disc. So it may be what we are gonna do today. Look. I got the hiccup while reading you.
Look over there. Leave stream to take a nap.
Don't fucking take a nap. You are not allowed to do a nap. Oh, thank you, the Tribunate. Thank you so much for the sub. Wait, it's dumbbell o'clock. 1, 2, 1. too. Ah. Hello, Tracton. Cheese to meet you. Cheese to meet. Ouch! I hurt myself with my phone. What the fuck? Hello. Cheese to meet you. Cheese to meet you. Are you ever to join in the army with your muscle? For real, yes, but I cannot join it. I cannot, guys. Just look it up. Yep, it's in Bastion, in the chest. Okay, I'm gonna try. You know, we are gonna go in Bastion to have the disc. I need it. If every French person speak like you, we achieve world cheese. I want world cheese, please give me cheese. You're gonna play Skyrim? I never play Skyrim. It looks freaking hard and scary. World peace! No, world cheese, too late. World cheese! World cheese! Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Skyrim is so fun, I don't know, it looks really scary. There is so many things to do in Skyrim and there is charism. And I'm scared of charism. I don't know, it looks scary statistic. What the fuck? Statistic to have. It looks scary. What is going on here? I'm gonna launch Minecraft to play Minecraft, but not on a community server because I still need to do one. I'm building a Minecraft house because it's funny. What's the best cheese to hide a horse behind? Mascarpone? I think it's your first message. I want to let you know that you are really not funny and that you maybe should never do joke anymore. I think even kid wouldn't look. I think the only person that could look to your freaking joke are like deaf people that cannot hear it and want to look to make you happy. Your joke is not funny, bro. Why I am looking at it? I did really saw your joke and I did start looking. I'm not fucking happy about that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Goodness. Okay, wait 1 second. I'm gonna show you the Minecraft. Where is Minecraft? Where the fuck is Minecraft? Minecraft mine. Ooh. Craft. Oh, it's here. Minecraft. Minecraft. Is it Minecraft? It's not Minecraft. Ooh. Minecraft. It's not working. Minecraft. Why is Minecraft not Minecrafting? Am I dumb? How do I launch Minecraft? Why is it dead? Deadcraft? Am I playing Deadcraft? Am I pissed off? Didn't you know that the moon is made of cheese? Yes, I know. This is why I want to go in the moon. I need cheese. So I need to eat the vol mode. I fucking want the vol mode in my fucking tummy. Really important. Okay, 1 second please. I'm still trying to make you see my Minecraft. But why is nothing working? Minecraft? Can you Minecraft? Minecraft isn't real anymore. Cheese is made of moon. Yeah, it's also true. Ah! Oh no, I got replaced by Minecraft, I'm sorry. 1 second, I fucked up. Sorry, my bad. I got so scared. Sorry. 1 second. I'm still a boomer today. Let me remove the red picture that is here. Okay. Minecraft, I'm gonna show you my Minecraft houses. Okay? I hope you're gonna like it. It's a beautiful houses. 1 second. I hear Minecraft every time she say Minecraft. Not Minecraft. Minecraft. You are French, aren't you? No, I cannot be French. Okay, so this is my Minecraft. Oh, wait, I forgot something really important. Sorry. 1 second. Minecraft song. Can you hear the Minecraft song? I don't think so. I don't think you can. I fucked up again. Can you hear the song? What the fuck is this today? Why did I broke everything? No? But yes, I know you don't hear it. I know it. Do you hear it, Rhino? Do you hear? Do you hear it? Or are you lying to me? Papa. I'm still having this in my head. Minecraft mustn't. Why is Minecraft musening? What is happening? Can Minecraft start to craft? Can craft start to Minecraft? Ah, great. Yepers. Do you hear it now? I think yes. Okay, I did. I know why you didn't hear it. Yes, I'm playing Minecraft. I love Minecraft. Rare skin in GTA 6 revealed. Yes, I need it. So look, this is my houses. You cannot hear the song? But there is no song, Rhino. I think I'm pissed off. Can you hear the cat meowing? Meow! Wait, can you hear this? Do you hear it? Is it okay? Is it working? Boing! It's quiet. No sound. Oh my goodness. I think you are all lying. And no, can you hear it? Can you hear it now? I think yes, I think you are lying. Yes, okay. I need to show you. So first in Minecraft, I know I am playing. Am I alone? Yes, I am alone. In Minecraft, now I am playing with this. It's a launch rat who have the plague and give the plague to anyone. Okay? So when I touch somebody, they have the plague. The sound effects are on because there is no sound. Oh, I know why. No, not this. Oh. It's gonna be better like that. I remember why there is no song to my Minecraft. It was all dead. It should be better like that. You're gonna tell me. Is it better? We have some very lazy waypoint. Oh, fuck you. Yes, I know it. Is the song not loud? I'm sorry if it is. Ah, yeah, my waypoints are really lazy. Ashen, wood, death. Whoa! Maybe dark wood? Dark. All death. Waypoint. Bateau. Forêt. All death. You were in France recently. Oh! Where? Why? Oh, I'm stuck. Why were you in France? Goodness. So this is my houses in Minecraft. So here there is a kitchen, but it's not done. Here there is nothing. Here there is the salon, I don't know what you call it. Okay, it's kinda okay, it's kinda cute. And here there is the bed with my crown. I sleep with the crown. Okay, and it's all. And so this is the houses. And if you go here outside, this is not mine. Since I'm not playing alone, there is this monstrosity of crate thingy that I don't want to name. There is thing everywhere. Yepers. My computer spec. I have the full Asus ROG Evangelion 02 PC. Everything that exists. Yeah, there is everything possible. And so when I want to order, let me go here. When I want something, I click on this cat. You see this cat? My pronunciation is so bad that sometimes I think you are speaking German. Goodness, no. So this, when I click on it, I can order everything that I need, that I did loot. I need food, I know. We are gonna do some food. I'm gonna eat. Oh, I was so scared of the music, sorry. I'm gonna eat some thing. What should I eat? I'm gonna eat this. Some chicken. Oh my waystone. Gonna eat some chicken. Okay. And so, yep. This is how it works. Wow, wow, fuck you! And if I don't want anything, I put it here and it go like vroom and everything. That's ham. Oh, fuck you. It's the same. Ham and chicken. Kinda the same, no? Hello, Izumi! Nice to meet you! Nice to meet you! So yeah, this is my house here. And this is a rat cage. Yeah, really important. I have rats in Minecraft. So there is RGB rat, Mexican rat, brown rat, white fisherman rat, angel rat, green Mexican rat, and me as a rat, but green. It's me as a rat, guys. My eyes are always silent. No, they are not. So I need to go in a bastion. Bastion. I'm gonna go here. So this is the front of the houses, but it's not finished. Can you name the Mexican rat? No, the name of the Mexican rat is rat. This is the front of the houses. There is a lot of flower, and here we have fish and nothing else. Nothing else because I'm a lazy shit. And so let me go to here, and I'm gonna go in the nether. Oh, I forgot to take food. Oh no, I forgot to take the food. 1 second. Is Riri and us in the same cage? Yes. I am in the same cage as other rats. But I have a lot of other rats, but they are free roaming. Free roaming. Let me take some potato. I'm gonna cook the potato. Let me take the potato. Let me cook the potato. Cook here. Cook it here. Whoopla. It didn't work. Oh shit. Okay, like that. I'm cooking the potato. 1 second. Here is the roof finally. Yes, but still not done. The roof isn't done for now. No, there is crow somewhere, but I didn't befriend them. I need to befriend the crow. Oh! But where the fuck are my fucking potato? I lost my potato, guys! Oh bah merde! Oh merde! Ah shit alors! The potato aren't here. Okay, no potato here, I think. It's okay. You should separate the rat based in nationality. No, because they are all friends. Let me take some coal. Let me... Oula, not this much. Let me take some coal. I'm gonna do some cooked potato. It is a fanboy rat? No, it's not. I think you are talking to the wrong person. It's not me. The oven. Hop, I'm cooking some potato. So, the floor is not done because I need ebony block. Ebony. Oh, I have some! Oh, what a dumb boss. I didn't know. So, let me finish the floor. Can you eat the rat sadly? Yes, you can. You can eat the rat if you want. But don't do it. It's really illegal. It's literally illegal. Hop là. So let me go in here and let me finish this. Hop là. Up. There is some cove here, but I don't know why. They're coving so bad. She's a fanboy, Mouses. I am not. Fuck you. Hop là. So yep, this is the houses that isn't done. Let me go in the top of the houses. I need to put the wood. I need to put the freaking wood.
Found your own matter.
Oh shit.
J Vandries on Café et un croissant s'il vous
No coffee allowed. Coffee aren't tasty. Only a croissant allowed. Only croissant and milk. Only. But hello, open. Hello. Hi. Wait, let me... Poof. Every time you say house, I hear houses. Ah, houses. But I like saying it like that. Houses. By the way, I wear a black death mask. I like this. It makes me happy. It makes me happy. So let me put this here. Up. Cheese back in this. Hop là. What I need? Ah yeah, my potato. Hop là. I'm taking some potato. And I'm gonna take some... why is there a bag here? I don't want this bag to exist. I'm putting back the bag in the good place. Hop là. Go away, bag. I'm gonna take some golden apple and some dragon fruit to eat. It's a good idea. Good name. Good night. Not good name. Oh, by the way, I was doing some candy cane. Where is it? Where is my candy cane? Oh, it's here. Yeah! I was doing candy cane, and to do candy cane, I don't remember what I need. Let me check. Candy cane.
Sorry, can't stay for long. Gotta work tomorrow.
Oh my goodness, I hope you're gonna sleep well. Really important. Oh, I need water, mundane potion, and sugar. Okay, I need sugar, guys. Do I have this? No. Shitting. I don't remember what I was saying. Hello, Timo. Hello. Hello, Lazar. Hello. Hi. Do I have sugar? Yepers. Taking sugar and taking bucket. Hopla. Hot woman, why don't have cross? I have cross, I swear, guys. I swear, trust me. Trust me. Yes, I need the water. Let me take some water. Water is here. Why I can speak French? Because it's illegal to speak French. Didn't you know this? Didn't you saw the new law that got published yesterday? Talking French on Twitch, it's illegal. You didn't know? Goodness. No, you didn't saw the new law. Oh, bro, no. You are lying. What a lie. How do I'm gonna break this. Up, and let me put it back. So I put water. So wait, I put sugar. No. It's water. And this. It's not working. It's not even working. What should I do? Should I put water again? I'm trying to do candy cane. It's not working! What the fuck? What the fucking fuck? My accent is so good. I know. Perfect rat accent. Goodness! Oh, should I do it? Oh, I did some salt by accident. Oh, goodness. Okay, let me put this. Wait. This and water. Okay, now Ali's gonna do candy cane. Suspense. Oh, it's not doing candy cane. It's not doing candy cane. It's not working. This freaking shit is broken. I got some salt and it's all. Nothing else. It's pissing me off. You want to learn French? Don't do it. Yes, I have XP. Unlimited XP. Do you want? It's not me that does everything with Crate. It's one of my moderator because I don't know how to use Crate. But here I can like show her with XP. I like that. It's cool. Real French is better. No, it's a lie. Go find the recipe. Okay, I'm gonna show you the recipe. So to do candy cane, you need full sugar. Oh, you need full sugar. Oh, I didn't know it. Oh bah shit alors. Why should I know that? Let me take some sugar. Some water, not sugar. Wait, I fucked up. Let me take some water. It's all fun and game until you die. I don't have XP to use a waystone. We need XP to use waystone? I didn't know. Oh shittings. I didn't know. Is the basin heated? Yes, it is. It's heated by a solar panel. So I put mundane potion with water and 4 sugar. Sugar is not going in. I put so many sugar. Okay. Normally it's gonna do candy. Did I put a potato in it? Goodness. What the fuck, guys? What am I doing? I don't even know. I did caramel! No, I did some caramel! Caramel? What do I do caramel? With 2 sugar. Putain, mais c'est dingue! Okay, I need more sugar. Let me take more sugar. Closenhook! Yeah, it's Closenhook. It's so fun your accent gets stronger when you play Minecraft. Is this true? Is my accent getting stronger when I play Minecraft? I think it's lie. I think it's a lie. You are lying to me. Sugar. I don't have sugar anymore. Cheating. Put water first. No. When I put the water, it's doing salt. What do I need? Ah yes, sugar. When I put the water first, it's my last potion. After I need to redo my potion. It's doing fucking salt. Oh, I did break it. Shit. Up. Okay, let me put 4. Okay. Let me not be dumb. 4, this. Is there an order maybe? Oh no, I'm talking in the chat. This is not what I want. Hello! Wacky conking stream idea. I'm trying my best. Hello, star. Hello. Candy cane. I need to put 4 sugar, mundane potion, and after water. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just gonna see. After I put water. Oh, I fucked up. And mundane potion. I fucked up! I fucked up again. No, it's not even... Guys, what the fuck? I put the wrong order. I'm trying my best, but I swear. That's why I run again and wool for a filter. I have a filter. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I have a filter. Here. I swear they were recipe filter. But I cannot put candy cane in it because I don't have candy cane. So it's pissing me off. So wait, let me up. Let me do this. After I'm gonna go here. Up. Up. I go in this. I put the 3 water. I wait. I still wait. Oh, what? Why is that working? I don't even know. I don't know if this works. What is that? Salt. It's not working. Oh, it did work. Okay. That's what you need the item for. But yes, I need the item. Wait, let me go to sleep. I need the item. This is my problem. I need the item. Fuck it. Hello, Nick. Nice to meet you. I cannot sleep. It's not the night. It's not the freaking night. Let me close the door. Oh, it's night! Look, I have a cuckoo. It's a night. Sleeping. Can you cook a blue sky? I don't think. I don't think I can. So, okay. Okay, let me put everything in order. Sugar, after mundane potion, and after... I have an idea! Let me turn off this. How do I turn it off? How do I turn it off? I don't know. Oh, okay, yeah. Let me put all of the ingredients in it. I can do it, guys. Where are my sugar? 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't remember if there is 4 sugar in it. Maybe they were not. Wait, let me... I will try my best. Coucou! Coucou! 1, 2, 3, 4. After I put this, and after I put this, after I turn it on. Are you ready? Is it gonna work? Oh! Codican! 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 Candy cane, guys! Candy cane, guys! I got my candy cane! I got my candy cane! Okay, now I need to make chocolate. Okay, my problem now is I need chocolate. I'm gonna show you why. Chocolate. Which chocolate? I don't know. I'm doing everything of this for a music disc. I need bar of dark chocolate. And to do it, I need dark chocolate. Okay. Okay. And to have dark chocolate, I need black chocolate bucket. Aha! Haha, I have the recipe. I need milk, sugar, cocoa butter, and cocoa bean. How do I do cocoa butter? I need to crush crushed cocoa. Huh? I crush. Okay. First we need cocoa. First we need cocoa bean. It's really important what I'm doing, cocoa. Wait, I'm gonna check. Maybe I have chocolate already. Choco. Okay, I don't have chocolate. Okay. Okay, guys. Let me put everything back. Oh no, my food! Oh no, merde. Okay. So, did I...
Shushway is finally understanding the way of create.
Shut up! I did put this back in it. In cocoa is silent? Cocoa? It's not silent, fuck you. So wait, what I need to do? Crushed cocoa. I need to crush my cocoa in a press. I need to search the plap thing. Where is it? Where is the plappings? Ah! Where is the plap thing? Oh, there is a guys. Oh yeah, it's the same from... Okay. Where is the plappings? Just on the left of the mixer. Oh merde. Can you... Yeah, I can make gun, but I don't want gun. I can have the plague. The plapping thing is on the left? Where is the left? Hello, Balin! Hello! Where is it? Plap. I don't find plap. Where is plap? Where is the plap? Hello, Arpero! Hello, hi! Where is it? What the fuck? Am I dumb? Plap. How to explain better, fucking loser. Where is it? I'm searching. Oh, another mixer. Is there a plappings? No, there is not a plappings. I'm searching the thing that go plap. I don't know to explain. Yes, please log on and show me where is it, because I don't know. I'm searching. Oh, it's here, I found it. Okay, I put this here. Plap. Up. I got my crushed cocoa. No, what? Yes, this was a plap. This is a plap thing. What should I do now? Wait, what do I want already? Chocolate. Chocolate bar. Okay, So I need dark chocolate. To have dark chocolate, I need dark chocolate. To have dark chocolate, I need cocoa bean. And to have cocoa bean, why do I need crushed cocoa already? I don't remember. Am I dumb? Wait, I did miss something, I think. Cocoa butter. Ah yes, cocoa butter! I put it in the vroom vroom thing. I forgot what I was doing. Okay. Last time I killed myself here. Is that the good one? Crushed cocoa. Crushed cocoa is not cocoa thing. Eto. How do I do it? Should I put it here? Oh, my cocoa! Merde! Where is my cocoa? Right here. Okay. Remove the grating. Oh, I need to remove this. Okay. I'm scared of dying. Up. Hop là. Yes, I died there. I'm dumb. I'm stupid. Hop là. I got some cocoa butter. And now I need some milk. Let me milk a cow. Are you going to make a horse glue factory? No! I'm not gonna do it. No. Hop là. Crushing your cock in the pla. Fuck you. What I need? Yes, there is so many things. The only thing I do is putting flour. Okay? This is the only thing I do. Wait, what do? I need? I don't remember, guys. I fucked up again. So wait, I need this, I have it. This, I have it. Sugar, I have it. What do I don't have? Nothing, I have everything I need. So let me go to the mixer. Let me turn the mixer off. Is it turned off? Yepers. What do I need already? I don't even remember again. I need milk. Oh, there is water in it. I'm gonna destroy it. Up. Là. So many things and just forcing. It's so many things. I put milk. After I put 1 sugar. Do I put only 1 sugar? Cocoa butter and 2 cocoa bean. Cocoa butter and 1, 2 cocoa bean. Is it 2 cocoa bean? Yes. And now I turn it on. Okay, is it gonna work? I'm doing chocolate. Oh! Isn't this not working? I think it didn't work. I think it didn't work, guys. What did I do? I did butter. Ooh. You need 3 candy cane? You are lying to me. Wait. No, I don't. Ah bah merde alors, I don't know what to do. You have milk but choco. But yeah, but why do I have milk and chocolate? 1 bucket. What? Oh, okay, attends, wait, I think I understand. I think I understood. Yeah, I have 4 candy cane, don't worry. Ok, put 2 sugar, 2 butter, 4 cocoa. Ah bon? 2 sugar and 1 milk only? Ah, there is something on my arm. I was so scared of myself. Take an injury, Google in the equipment to see what is in the bassin. Okay, I'm gonna take this. Engineering. What is this? I need Google. I need to have Google, guys. 3 more candy cane. No, I have 4 candy cane. Don't worry about this. I have a lot of candy cane. Okay, let me sleep soon. Let me go here. Okay, let me turn this off. It's already turned off. Let me put milk. Oh, there is too many milk! Ah bah... Oh. Where is your shirt? In your ass. Okay, let me take a glasses. Let me take a bottle. My shirt is in your freaking ass. Milk bottle! I have it already. Stink in a bottle? Do I have this? You're naked? Yes, am I? Maybe. Ooh. What is this freaking reaction from one of my moderator? Is this crazy? Is it crazy? I don't remember how to speak. Okay, okay, I have it. I've put one cigar. No, I don't remember. Kimon, can you put the mod pack link? So it's not my mod pack. Dark chocolate, 1 second. So I don't know. I think it's all of Create with the rat mod pack because it's really important. 1 cocoa butter and 2 cocoa bean. 1 cocoa butter. Where are my cocoa bean? Oh, they're here. And 2 cocoa bean. Is it 2 cocoa bean? Yeps. Are you ready? I love Create plus Warium plus Valkyrian Sky plus rats. Really important. Are you ready? Is it gonna do chocolate? Oh, chocolate, 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 guys. Oh, but how do I take the chocolate? Guys, what the fuck? How do I take the chocolate from this? Ah, bah, I don't know. My chocolate! My chocolate! Guys, Radbro! Radbro, my chocolate is stuck! That's why you need a full bucket. Oh. Okay. I understand. I understand what you are saying. Okay, okay, okay. Ouch! Just to meet you, someone. Just to meet you. Just to meet you. Okay, we put 1 full bucket. So we put 4 sugar in it. Wait. 1. It's for 2. I put 2 sugar in it. 4 sugar in it. 4 of this. No. 8 of this. Let me think. I need more cocoa butter. 1 second. I'm having trouble. I need to eat. Oh, I don't have any more food. She thinks. Yes, 4 sugar in it. Shut up. Why am I doing? Ah, yes, I'm doing. Oh no! Oh no, it didn't work. Okay, I need more cocoa. I need more cocoa. 1 second. Yeah, there is also nuke, but I'm doing chocolate, okay? Oh, I don't have any more cocoa. Ah yes, I need to crush it. Oh, I didn't do this. I don't have cocoa anymore. Ah bah merde alors. Where do I have cocoa? The cocoa are in the jungle, right? I'm gonna eat cake. Cocoa are in the jungle. Is it this? I think yes. Go to the mixer. Where is it? Why should I go to the mixer? Yeah, there is cocoa in it, but I need it. Okay, let me go to the jungle. Let me eat my cake. How do I eat a cake? Okay, let me go. Jungle here. I need to go to the jungle. But yet I forgot a step. I forgot to plap it before crushing it. I'm sorry, I'm dumb. Yes, I was greedy. I ate a whole cake. So where is cocoa? I need more cocoa. Oh, flower! A good flower! I need more cocoa. Cocoa? Cocoa? Where are cocoa? Oh, bird of paradise flower. A leaf cutter ant. Cocoa. Cocoa, cocoa. Cocoa, cocoa. Cocoa. Yes, cocoa. Cocoa everywhere, guys. Make a cocoa farm. No, I already have a cocoa farm. This is a jungle. Jungle is a free cocoa farm. I'm gonna go. Boom. You need more? No, you are lying. You are lying. You are a liar. Up. Yeah, there's a jungle here. I'm really lucky. I'm really freaking lucky. Where is Plap Plap? It's somewhere here. Okay, let me plap it. Oh shit. It's not plapping anymore. No! Wait, I'm fucking... Bro, stop crushing it. Okay, so here I need... yes, I need to go to the... bigger cake. Yes, I need a bigger cake to eat it, because I am the grid. Is it working? Yes. I need more. Hop là. Is it working? Yes. Okay, let me go back to here. The mixer. So we need to add... I don't remember. Yes, the ksh. You should understand what is the ksh. Dark chocolate. I need 4 cocoa butter. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, are you ready? Normally it's gonna work. Are you ready, Red Bro? Look. Is it working? Am I gonna have chocolate? Black chocolate bucket! Pam 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 pam. It's working! Yes, I need more. It's working. Okay, so now what? No, I need black chocolate bucket. I need to do... I don't know. Wait, one second. I need to put my dark chocolate in a compacting. What is a compacting? To compact replace the depot under the Plap Plap with a basin. Is that a basin? Are you calling this a basin? If yes, this is not one. Okay. Here. Didn't work. Okay, it should work. Okay, let me put my dark chocolate in it. I have the chocolate! Ah bah merde alors! I need more! I have dark chocolate brick. Guys, I fucked up. Shit alors. Shit. Merde. Okay, I can re-have my dark chocolate. It was compacted twice. Oh no! But why? I don't want this. Okay, let me re-go here to the mixer. Let me put this here. Mix. You can craft a basin if you need. No, I have one here. Let me take it. Let me remove this. Let me put this here. Let me fast. It's again just a dark chocolate thing, guys. I'm so pissed off. I am so pissed off. Okay, let me... Ah, no. Radbro, you have the solution. I have the solution. Shut up, I know what should I do. Let me first do the first step. Can you uncompact it? Yes, this is what I'm doing. Uncompacting. Okay, let me put the dark chocolate in the floor. Really important step. Water bottle? No, it's a joke. Or that chocolate, guys. My chocolate turned into a water bottle. What? Yes, I put too much chocolate in the machine, but what should I do? Okay, 1 second, let me try again. Maybe I am stupid. But I cannot take it. Goodness. What is wrong with this? Oh god. No, I'm not winning. I'm not winning, danger. Okay. I need this item draining. How do I have an item draining? Oh, I need to sleep. Wait, no, I need an item draining to do chocolate better. But first, I'm sleeping. Item draining. We have one? Do we have one? Item draining. Oh, yes, okay, let me try my technique and after. Wait, what? You can remove the filter on the compactor. But where is it? Where is the... Oh no! Oh no! Oh shit alors! Okay, like that? It should work? Are you sure if it's not working? It's your fault. Manual compactor? Maybe. I'm gonna see if this works first. No! Not again! I'm putting everything in the wrong place. Okay. I put the chocolate in it. It disappears. It just disappears. Did you... Oh, don't chocolate! I have my chocolate! Look! I have my chocolate! It worked! It did work! Okay, now let me take my candy cane. I'm so fucking... I did it finally, Radbro. I am happy. Hello, Taco! Hello, Reveal! Just to meet you! Hello! So now, I'm crafting a music disc. Yeah, this was my whole plan. And I'm gonna put the music disc in the jukebox. Are you ready to hear the music? Yeah, everything for this. Music! I am groovy. Am I groovy? The music disc. This is all. Yeah! What a good music disc. It's a chocolate. No, you're crazy. I'm gonna craft something else now. Heavy cream bucket. Whoa. Hot dance. Pa. Oh, you want to see something? Let me 1 second. Okay, let me 1 second. Really important. Okay, let me cook. Where is my axe? It's here. Okay, let me cook. I need to show you something, Radbro. Really cool. I am groovy. This music isn't this good. I'm kinda sad. Okay. Oh, begonia. Okay, let me take my thing. My rat. Pam. Okay. I'm gonna summon a rat. Are you ready? I'm summoning the rat. And now the rat, I tell them to stay here. Are you ready? Wait, I'm gonna move this one. And the other one is here. Up. And this one too. I'm gonna move them here. Ah. Ah. Ah, shit alors. Ah bah shit. Okay. Let me make the rat following me. 1 second. You're gonna see, this is really important. Okay, the rat are following me. Come here all. Okay, now I let them stay here. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? You're gonna get shocked. Puncher, but I cannot. Are you ready? Are you ready? Ta-da! The rats are groovy. The rats are dancing. Even in the table. They're just all dancing and grooving. Aren't these the best thing ever? Look at them. Oh no! I put him. I take him. I cannot release him. He's cooked. Oh, pauvre rat. Oh, he's still dancing here. What a pirati. Oh no, shit. Ah shit alors. Ah shit alors. He is dancing? He's not dancing. Can I put more on dancing? Wait. Wait, 1 second. I need them to... Oh no! I killed a rat in a wall! I'm sorry, rat bro. I'm so sorry. I have a raw rat. Okay, come here, rat. Okay, they are all coming. Come here. I have 20 fire rats. They are gonna dance. They are gonna all dance. Hello, 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 2025. Hello. Nice to meet you. Come here. Rat. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? This is the moment. No more dancing. We don't have any groovy rat anymore. No more groovy rat. And no, they're all groovy. They're all groovy. Ah, they are not. This one are not groovy. Let me move the thing. I want them to be all groovy. If rats are not this groovy, it's making me sad. I'm gonna put the music here. Are you ready? They are still not all groovy. Ah la la, I don't like that. Oh la la la, no peur. Where is the music box? It's here. Let me put it here. Okay, here. Are you ready? Ta-da! They're all groovy! Hee Look at that! They are groovy in the rat cage too. They're groovy here. They're dancing together. They're dancing together. I love this. Oh, this one are not funny, guys. But this one is funny and kinda shy. Look how groovy. I can punch them, push them. Pop. All groovy. Groovy rat reunion. This one is so happy. Wow. This is the best thing ever. I like how he spin. A little shit. So this is all. I did everything for this. I am no happy rat. I am really happy now. Let me put something back in the thing. Hopla. Let me put back my painting. Where is it? Beautiful painting. Hopla. Oh no! Really? Are you fucking stupid? No. Yeah, my rats in my room are really doing this in real life. If you didn't know. My rats are this groovy in real life. I love them. Oh, they're dancing together! It's so cute! Yeah, you're dancing, little bro. You're dancing. Let me give them little hat. Ah, I'm gonna give them this hat. They're gonna look so cute. I'm gonna give them this. Little rat hat. Okay. You get a hat. Hehe. You get a hat too. Yay! So cute! You too? You too, you're dancing. Get a hat. You too, you deserve a hat. Hehe. You too. Ah, you already have a hat, sorry. You too, have a hat. A party hat. I need to learn how to craft one. You too, have a hat. There is a lot of hat. Let me show you. I can do... Oh. Shattered Dimension Carver. What the fuck is that? Okay, there is some groovy rat hat. There is Santa hat, but I cannot craft it. Party hat, pirate hat, and exterminator rat. Hat, not rat. But the problem is I don't know how to craft them. I'm kinda sad. I want the Shattered Dimensional Carver. I want this. I want this too. And I want to amethyst crab shell, but I need to see him. But I don't know. Who is it? Hello Danib! I'm making my rat groovy look. Wait, let me switch my disc. Let me put another disc. 1 second. Music. This is all the disc I have. I'm taking them all with me. I am crazy. Hop là. I have this. Faire groovy do this. No, there is no recipe for the party hat. This is the problem. They're happy to dance to nothing. There is this. This one is so groovy. I love him. There is this one. You can dance to scary music. Yeah, funky rat. I have another one in my bag. There is this one. This one is cool. They look happy. I can dance too. There is this one, but it's scary. They look like combat rats. They look like boss rat now. I don't like that. Yes, many rats, a lot of rats. Oh, there is a clan of rats. But the best one is this one. I want them so happy, so groovy. I love the rat. I love Minecraft rats. Okay, so Rhino. Ah no, not the rat. I need to take my cooked potato. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. I need to take the cooked potato. And I am gonna... Ah bah merde alors. They're following me and dancing here. Stop following me and dancing. Stop following me while dancing. Merde alors. Look how groovy. Wait, let me go to here. Vroom, vroom. We're dancing. Vroom, we're dancing again. Stop following me. Goodness. Okay, let me take the flute back. I already have something to have infinity rat. I am happy. Oh merde. Stay here. No, stay here. Okay, let me go back. I need to sleep first. I need to sleep first. Yeah, rats, woman and a rat. I love them. Oh, by the way, welcome, Silent. Nice to meet you. Rat suffocated in a wall. It makes me so sad. Oh, let me take a bed with me. Or a sleeping bag, I don't know. A bed. Yes, a bed. So I'm gonna go in the nether. Let me go here. Oh, let me eat potato. Do you explore with them? No, because they die. They're stupid. If I go here, there is a nether. And in the nether, oh, I forgot to take something. Let me go back to the home. let me take some block. Let me take some dirt. Dirt. Hop là. I need dirt. Oh. Hop là. Okay, let me go back to the Nether. This world is really pretty. Yes, I did put flower everywhere. I am happy. Where is the waystone? Right here. Let me go back to here. A rat maze. Oh, I need to do that. A rat maze in my houses. Okay, nether time. Netherings. Very cool rat world. The world is beautiful because there is rats especially. So I need a bastion. This is that a bastion? Is it this? Is this a bastion? If yes, can you tell me if yes? Yes, thank you. Okay, let me drink water. 1 second, please. 1 second. Yes, is severely lacking in rat. Lie, there is a lot of rat. Yes, I found the Sakura biome, but I don't want it. I didn't want it. Okay, let me go in here. Hello, Jaggy. Hello. Where is it? Right here. When I walk, it goes splash. The nether is scary. I don't like that. Let me be ready. I'm gonna go here. Oh, there is mushroom. I love mushroom. Mushroom are cool. Hello, Ryu. I am good. I am playing Minecraft right now. Thank you so much for the sub. Hello. I'm playing Minecraft to have a song in Minecraft. I want ba 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 ba. Da. Are the pig bad pig? Are the pig horrible? Are the pig monster? I don't know. Are the pig bad? Should I attack them? Can they kill me? I'm gonna put my bed here because if I die from the pig, I want to not die. I'm gonna put a bed. What the fucking fuck! What the fuck? I'm fucking burning. Burning. Fire. Okay, I guess. What happened, guys? Is that the pig? Oh no! Is that the... Pig! Is that the... This! Is it him? Oh goodness. Okay, I guess I'm not gonna sleep here. Why the fuck is Riri in France Rhino in Minecraft? Fuck you! It's fire everywhere. Bed explode in the nether. Why? Why it should explode? Where's my bed? Oh goodness. Okay, I guess no bed for me. I'm scared now. What the fuck? I was just sleepy. I just a sleepy shit. Okay, I guess. Oh, this shit is a ooey. Oh, some coal. This ooey. I took it. Oh, what a bad guys. He died. I killed him. My he's dead. Contraption. It's a contraception. It's not to have baby. Okay, I'm searching a disc, a music disc. I want What is that? I don't know. I'm so scared, guys. I'm so scared. Riri, what are you hugging? A pillow. Hugging a pillow. I'm pillowing. Is this modded? Yes, it's a modded Minecraft. It's a modded Minecraft. Don't worry. Ah! Putain, I'm sorry, I got so scared. I'm really sorry. I got really jump scared. Oh goodness, the pig are scary. Around the pig friend? Okay, they're not. There is pig attacking me, guys. I'm so scared. I don't know how to fight. Oh. C'est là-bas. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. What the fuck is wrong? Goodness. Guys, that's a stinky pillow. Oh my god. Die. Fucking pig. Oh mon dieu. I got really scared. I swear I'm gonna piss myself. So what I want is... Is there any pig? Where are the pig? I don't know. I'm scared. There's pig everywhere, I think. What is this? Boss? Boss respawner? What even is this? A boss respawner? Guys, what the fuck is that? Oh. Hello, yes! But could you please be me Minecraft? No, fuck you. No, I'm not being you, Minecraft. Go to work. Go to fork. No, mais oh. I think to respawn a boss? Okay, I'm gonna click on it. Do this work? How does this work? I don't know. I'm scared. Should I take this home? What even is this shit? Is this takeable home? Oh, it's not. Or should I make the bone spawn? Bah, I don't know. Danger. But there is no boss. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Let me check. Boss, respawner. It don't even exist. It don't even exist. May I need an item? Let me check on Google. Hello Crispy, hello. Where is... I lost my phone, guys. Oh, I'm sad, don't on it. Sorry. Let me check on internet. Boss, respawner, Minecraft. Hello. No, hello, yes, fuck you. You are my worst enemy, no. How do it work? Put the eye related to the boss inside the respawner. I need an eye. I need an eye. But it's already here. Wait, let me check. Eye. Eye of Abyss, Eye of Desert, Eye of Curse. What the fuck, guys? Eye of Thunder. I'm gonna do the Eye of Thunder, I think. Okay, I'm gonna put a waystone here. Is it gonna explode too? Is the waystone exploding? 6. Okay, let me go back home. You need the Eye of Lamb. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, the rat aren't groovy anymore. Okay, crying webs obsidian. I need this. And ender. Oh! I already have it. Ender pearl. Do I have any eye? Did you make all of this? No. I just make rats. I just make the rat. Up. I need to put this here. And this. Oh, I need more crying obsidian. I think. Crying. How do I make crying obsidian? I don't know. I'm gonna take this I'm gonna go back to here. Your horse is so big. Yes, but I want to make it better for now. There is a lot of mud. There is all of create. Oh, crying obsidian. All of create and rat mod and other that I don't remember the name. I need the crying obsidian. I need this so bad. Oh, it's hard. I need another, oh goodness. I need another axe. It's pissing me off. I need to do a Radbro server, but I need to check if it's working. Wait, I lost it. Right here. Not the lava! Not the lava! Ah shit alors! Let me go back home. I'm scared. Oh no, I'm burning again. Oh, water. Okay, what do I know? What do I need? Ah yes, a pickaxe. Axe. This. Okay. Hop là. Okay, let me go back to here. Eat potato. Yeah, Minecraft is pretty as fuck with shader. I like it. Okay, let me go back. On can cooking stream? Yes, I need to do one. I really need to do one. Ah yes, the obsidian. But I was lazy to do one. But it's planned. I'm playing with the microphone. Ah? Is it true? Wait, let me 1 second. I think yes. I need the eyes of flame. Oh merde alors. I'm still taking this. I'm still taking the shit. It's hard to break. I need the eyes of flame. Eyes of flame. Ancien scrap? What is a scrap? Ancien débris? What is the ancien débris? I don't even know. Okay, I'm gonna search this. You play Overwatch, don't do this. I'm still gonna craft the eye of thing. Because it looks funny. So I put this here, and here, and here, and here. And this here, and here, and here, and here. Oh, it's not working. It's not working. It's netherite? Ah bon? Obsidian, crying obsidian. Isn't this what I'm doing? Obsidian, crying obsidian. Ah, I need an eye of thunder. I'm so fucking stupid. Putain, I don't even know to have an eye of thunder. I don't know what is this. The debris is... A netherite is this? What is netherite? I don't even know. I don't even know what the fuck is netherite again. Eh? How do I have netherite? How do I have netherite? Under pearl plus blade powder. I think you are lying. How do I find netherite in the wild? Under pearl plus blade powder. Let's carry blackstone pillar. Where is my netherite? Is that netherite? It's dirt. Ah bah shit. Ah shit alors. Everything is not netherite. You mine it? Okay, how do I mine netherite? I need netherite to do... why? I don't remember. Ah yes, I need netherite to do ancien scrap. Because I need ancien débris. I need ancien débris to do ancien scrap. Blah 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 blah. But first... Are they angry? No. First I'm trying to go in the top of this. They are scary. But I don't know where to go. Gonna fly. Flying rat! Check your storage. I don't have it, I think. Hello, Jeez! Hello! Squeaks! Kill that blackstone. Blackstone? Is blackstone not netherite? Oh, monster! Netherite? Ha! No, no netherite. Come here, come here! Okay, don't come here. Fuck you. What is this? Wow, it's burning here. Oh, there is a squeaker. So cute. Demon rat. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not so cute. Okay. Okay. What should I do? I don't know, bro. I don't know what to do. Da 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 da. Bum, 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 bum. The storage at your house is. Yes, but why should I look it? There is not what I want. Oh no 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 no. No no no. Stop attacking me, bro. God, oh god, oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay. Okay. This shit is scary. Where is Netherite? Why is there... Why do we look a bastion? This is my first time going in it. I don't know if to look one. Where are the loot? Where is the loot? But no, I know I don't have Netherite. Check the wall maybe? But there is like a big thing and it's shit only. Hello? Hello little pig. Let me scratch myself. I don't know where to go. Like there is this big shield, but there is nothing in it. I think you lied to me. This is not a bastion. Then this is a bastion maybe. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go here. Where is it? Right here. Okay. First, let me go out of this. Yeah, hello, Patty. I am good. My tummy kinda hurt a little, but I'm good. Hello, hello. By the way, I hope this. I'm not a good Minecraft player, but I still hope you are like putting it in the background to have rat noise, because I'm trying my best to search Netherite and a music song. So this is not the coolest gameplay, I think. Well, but there is a... What the fuck? I want to go out of this shit. Am I stuck? I think yes. I think I am stuck in this forever. Hello Wizard! Hello, hello! Wizard, if you were here at the start of the stream, I was doing eating noise again, by the way. How do I go out? I'm so scared. Where am I? Oh, what is even this? Can I go in this? Stop moving! Goodness. Is this Netherite? It's not Netherite. A pig? Wow. Shroom light. I want this. I want this in my houses. It's cute. If you now know, Netherite is basically it's basically the material above diamond to make armor. Ah. Bah, I want Netherite. But bro, I found the boss respawner. What is that? I never saw that in my life. A boss respawner. You understand? A fucking boss respawner. It's so scary. What are you holding? A pillow. What is that? A pillow. I'm holding this. There's a chest in this. Trying to get it, but oh no, only coal. It's maybe to respawn. Yes, I look on the internet and it said that you need to put the eyes of the box that you want to make respawn, and this one is for the eyes of flame, but I need the eyes of flame, and to craft it I need Netherite. To craft the eyes of flame. Whoa! I was scared. What is on the pillow? Stinky. Nothing else. It's a normal pillow. Where is the boss respawner already? I lost it? Do I lost the boss respawner? Oh, shitting. Oh no, I lost it. Oh, it's here. Look, I found that. I found this. Boss respawner. And it said that there is a little boss here. And you need netherite gear, maybe, yes. But I need netherite first. And there is an eyes. And it's the eyes of monstrous that I need. I still need ancient scrap. This, I need this. Bye bye wizard, bye. Good night. Stinky rat girl pillow, where do I buy? I need to do one day, it would be so cool. I need, it's so scary. But so yes, I was trying to do the Eyes of Thunder thing. Or the Eyes of Abyss. So I'm gonna try it. Because I don't understand how it works. I'm gonna retry. I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna do Eyes of Void. Eye of Thunder. Okay. Okay, wait. By the way, yes, there is a lot of rat again. I need this. Go search for a bastion. Ah yes, I forgot I was doing this. Thank you for reminding me. What do I need? Ah yes. This. I was so confused. Okay. What is that? Tomato thing. Okay. And now I do this. And now I go back here. And I'm gonna make it spawn. Are we still streaming? No, I am not. No, yeah, I am not still streaming. It do not work. It don't work. I got lied by internet. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Goodness. It isn't the right eyes, yes, but I was trying. But for two, I need netherite, guys. It's pissing me off. Nether. Hack. It's not netherite. Ancien. Debris. I don't have it. Shittings. Okay. It's quite late. Yes, I know. Okay, what should I do? Ah yes, I'm searching. I remember what I was doing. I am searching for shittings. What am I searching here already? I am searching for a bastion. I'm searching a bastion. Where do that? I don't even know where the boss spawn. Do you know how to get it? If you have potion, it should be somewhat easy. I have potion, but I don't know where. And I don't know where to get netherite. But, okay, let me search. So this was looking like a bastion, I think. So I'm gonna go here. Wrong direction. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. I never make a... I never save... yes, I found... Oh goodness, why is talking really hard, I know. I saw only one boss and he was in a pyramid. So let me go back to... Okay, here. Hello, the Black. Hello, Amazing. Hello, nice to meet you. Hello. Huh? Why is he trying to kill me? What is wrong with him? Okay, I'm gonna go here. Up. I'm gonna go here. Da. Ah! Somebody already did come here. What the fuck? Look, there's already what the fuck? What the fuck is happening? Go away. Oh shit alors. I didn't kill everything. Ah bah merde. There's already somebody did I come here? Oh my goodness. But I'm searching. Bam, 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 bam. Maybe you already stole all the bam, 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 bam. This is why there were no loot in this. I was so sad. I was so sad. Shittings. I want bam, 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 bam. Oh, it's burning. I didn't come about to say burning. Bam, 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 bam. Aito. What is ba bam 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 bam? It's da 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 da. The Minecraft song, you know? Da da. What the fuck, guys? Ba bam 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 bam. This is the Minecraft song. Wait, how can I go here? There is a wall, literally. You know what? I don't like the Nether. I'm coming back home. I think the Nether is the worst thing that exists. Why do I have a golden sword? I don't like the Nether anymore. Oh, shiny? What? Distract pickling with gold. Harpingling, Joe? What is it got distracted by gold? What happened? How do I come back home? I don't even remember again. Da 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 da. I love this song. Da 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 da. Bam, 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 bam. Where is the end of this? Ah bah shit alors, I don't know. I don't know. Piglin can trade with you if you give them gold? Oh, is it true? I didn't know. I don't have gold. Yeah, the Nether is ugly. I hate it. I hate the Nether. It's here. But I want this. I want this. I want the boss. Da 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 da. Okay, let me go back to the houses. And eat potato. Okay. And you want a Lamborghini? Yes, I don't care. I want the Nether song. Da 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 da. Okay, what am I gonna do? What I am gonna do is I don't know. I don't know. Putting this. I'm not eating God. It don't even look like cheese. It's a lie. I'm gonna kill the cow. And no, I am... I don't know. I am gonna do something else. But what? I don't know. I don't know. Hopla. I would love to like decorate the houses, but I'm so lazy. What is this? Oh! Haha! I got teleported. It's funny. I like that. But yeah, this is my houses for now. And soon the selling is coming soon. Really soon. For now, it's ugly. Pretty garden, yes. I love the tree. And I put flower, but it's not done. I'm just a lazy shit. This number of rats makes the server lag. Is that true? Look, there is a lot of rats here. And you know what this rat can do? I want to make them groovy again. They can dance. This is the best thing ever. I would love to live in the rat cage in this game. It looks so cool. It looks so cool. As long as they don't move, it's okay? Okay. 1 second. Look at the rat moving and dancing with me. Moving while dancing. Ta-da! Sarah, my little shit. Look at this. Hihi. I think they're kind of funny. I love them. I love how groovy they are. You know, in real life, my rat also dance like that. I swear it's true, trust me. Look. So come here and yay! Party in the kitchen. Party in the kitchen. Ta 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 ta. Okay, rat, we go back to the houses. Come here. Yay! Yay! I love them. Build a new home as a giant rat cage. But I already have a small rat cages for some of them. Some of them are here, even the RGB rats. And they are dancing. They are dancing, they are good boy and good girl. You know, I can breed them and have baby rats. I think I'm gonna try to do that, but I don't know if to... I need a breed thing. This. I need red dye and a redstone lamp. Oh, I'm too lazy. I'm too lazy to do anything. Let me go back in the bed. Where's the bed already? It's here. Let me sleep. Me sleep. Hello, Leviathan. Hello. Hello, August. Hi. Hello, nice to meet you. Hello. What? Let me stop Minecraft and let me yap. So, 1 second. 1 second. Where is it? Dun, dun, dun. This song is so groovy. Bye bye the groovy song. Bye. Bye. How do I stop Minecraft? I'm so stupid today. Okay, like that. I did it. Oh, I look so small. Hello. Heyo. Rat. Rat and cushion. Rat and pillow. Rat and smell. Rat and stinky fly. It's me. Lazy ass. Stinky. Wait, what is it? Lazy little shit. This is me. Lazy little shit. It's me. Wait. Sorry, I burped. Wait, let me drink water. Lazy shit. I am a lazy shit. Peak performance, I know. Let me, I'm gonna be back 1 second. I need to open my windows. Let me open it. I almost fell. I almost fell on the floor. What did the pillow say? Wait 1 second, let me show you. Pillow will sing stinky. Stink. It's a stinky rat pillow. Stinky rat love. Rat water. You know it. Shut up. This is an accident. Sorry, I was yawning again. I can't stop always yawning, it's pissing me off. I don't like yawning. I don't like that. Yawning is only for losers, and I am not a loser. Re-scented pillow. Kinda true, this pillow stuck smelling fuck. Oh goodness, talking is hard. Talking is so hard. Oh. What time is it? Oh, hello, Rotom, by the way, hello. I need, yes, let me do a little of, how do you call this? Of dumbbell. It's midnight. Oh my goodness, guys. I didn't know. It was midnight. Okay, let me do some dumbbell a little. And after I'm gonna end this stream here because it's so fucking late, guys. It's so late. Wait, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Oh. Left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, 8, 9. Ouch! 10. Ah, a little stoppings. Yeah, I need to go to sleep soon. I'm doing 20 more and I stop. 20 more dumbbell lifting. Yippers. 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 Okay. You seem sleepy. I am really sleepy. It's midnight. It's time to sleep for a little rat, you know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Hello, Toadali. Hello, hi. Hello, the banana. Hello, nice to meet you. Hello. Okay. 1. Hello, Devious. Nice to meet you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 more for each hand. It's so hard, guys. It's so hard. Cognac. Bye, Jerry. Bye. Oh, you are cooking. Fucking shit. Cloaking with a fork. Don't die. See you next time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh my, bye you. Bye. 8, 9, 10. Yeah, I did bonk my fucking desk. I'm sorry. Have a good night. You have a good night. 1, 2, 3. Hello, newbie. Nice to meet you. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I am okay. It was my desk. My desk is not okay. Yeah. Okay, no more for I know. Little stop. So, yeah, I'm not hurting myself. I did bonk my desk by accident. I'm stupid as fuck. My desk is moving and fucking burning me, I think. It's true. So, since it's almost 1 AM in France, okay, I'm gonna stop the stream. Next stream is on Wednesday at, I don't remember at what time. But it's on Wednesday, it's gonna be earlier, okay? It's gonna be an early stream. But not this much early, if I remember. So yeah, thank you for watching me play Minecraft like a Dunbash. And thank you for listening to me squeaking. And see you on Wednesday. I'm gonna try to show you more bird pictures and I'm gonna try to post on Instagram some funny video. I need to do it. Okay? So, I'm gonna write somebody. But who the fuck is streaming? I know. And yeah, I'm gonna go to sleep really soon. Soon sleepings. Soon sleepings. I'm gonna read her. She. Oh wait. Wait. Where is my internet? It's here. Wait. Is she streaming? What the fuck? I'm gonna read. I'm gonna read. Yeah, I'm gonna read her. She's streaming. Read all shitting. Read. So, yeah, see you on Wednesday for the next stream. And see you on Discord. And see you on Instagram and Twitter and everything, okay? Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Buyers. 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 Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming a lot. Bye bye. Have a good night. Have a good morning. Or good working. Or good cheese eating. Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thanks for coming. Oh, the red messages. Hi, talk. Rat. I'm gonna play with my rat before sleeping. I need to play with my rat before sleeping. I need to play a little today. Yeah, I'm taking my shower tomorrow, don't worry. Bye bye! Bye bye! See you on Wednesday. See you on Wednesday. Good night. Probably I'm gonna go to shit because I eat too many Cheetos and chocolate, by the way. Bye bye! Bye 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 bye! Mwah! Squeakings and shittings. Squeakings and shitting on the squeaks. Bye!